Hello folks, welcome to the shop. Y'all come on in, make yourself comfortable. Today we're going to turn a dibber. Yes, a garden dibber. Through the magic of video, I'm able to show you exactly what we're going to turn today before we do it. So sit down, make yourself comfortable, and enjoy. And this is just one more in the series of what you can turn from a standard limb cut off a tree. A lot of the limbs I turn are going to be dry or green. This one's been sitting around a little while, so it's fairly dry. Although I wouldn't guarantee it to be dry all the way through. Let's do a little peel cut down here for this tenon. Okay, so we got the tenon turned on it. We got it turned around in the chuck, ready to rock and roll. And with that said, let's make a dibber. Let's go ahead and make some marks here. So I'm going to say that right there will be the end of it. Make a mark. So those will just help guide us. Basically our taper will start right about here. We'll take one more cut on that just to get it a little bit smoother. Okay, so what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to set these calipers at about 1 inch. And so what I'll do is just come in, make a mark, make another, okay, with those marks made, now I'm going to come in with a skew and I'm just going to make just a little bit of V-groove there. Okay, now we're going to take the largest guitar string I have and we're going to put it in there and just let it burn that. Again, you do not want to touch that guitar string after it's done that. And we'll just come right in here and put one more right up there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop just a minute to do some sanding. Hey folks, I just had a great idea. While Dean's doing the sanding and stirring up more dust than a semi on a red dirt road, why don't you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, check the like button, and put in a few comments. Tell me how you feel about the videos I've been doing and about this one in particular or any of the others. Thank you so much for watching. Let me get back with Dean and get to sanding, okay? Well, the sanding's done. So really all we have left is just to part this baby off, and we have got a finished dibbler. Let's get that done and take a look at it. By the way, once we're done with all this, I'll put some photographs of this at the very end. That way you get to see what it looks like after the video. Okay folks, we've got a finished dibber. I put marks on it every 1 inch so the gardener knows exactly how deep a hole they're making depending on what they're planting. I will go ahead and put some finish on it, and after this video put a short clip up showing you the finished product. With that said, stay safe, stay healthy, and happy turning.